Alright, so this is problem number 5 for the extra credit of exam 3, and it is a problem from the book, and it reads as follows. The concentration of the hydrogen ions in a bottle of table wine was 3.2 times 10 to the negative 4, right after the cork was removed. Only half of the wine was consumed. The other half, after it had been standing open to the air for a month, was found to have a hydrogen ion concentration equal to 1.0 times 10 to the negative 3. Calculate the pH of the wine in these two occasions. Alright, so before anything, we have to, in order to solve this problem, we have to understand what they are basically giving to us. And when we read it, they're telling us the concentration of hydrogen ions in the bottle before it was left out. So the concentration. 3.2 times 10 to the negative 4, and I'm just going to label him concentration of the hydrogen ion 1. And then they also gave us the hydrogen ion concentration after it was left out. And to that one, I'm also going to write it down, but instead I'm going to label it the concentration of the hydrogen ion 2. 1.0 times 10 to the negative 3. And now that we understand that what they've given us, we have to find an equation that relates our pH to our hydrogen ion concentration for both occasions, or for both occasions. And the equation that does that is pH is equal to the negative log of the concentration of the hydrogen ion. And so in order to find the pH for both occasions, all we have to do is plug in the concentrations that they give us to our equation in two separate equations, but the same equation. And we just set it up like this. And as you can see, I labeled one pH 1 and then pH 2 for occasion 1 and occasion 2. And then now all we have left to do is just plug it into our calculator and see what it gives us. And as you can see, this was fairly simple. Like, the problem looks hard and it looks very long. However, when you break it down and understand what they're giving to you, it's very easy to solve. So what we end up getting for the pH 1 is about 3.49. And then for the pH 2, we get about 3.00. And that was it. Thank you.